Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your SMTP server settings in Outlook 365. This is incredibly useful if you're setting up an email client, configuring third-party apps, or troubleshooting email sending issues. Let's jump right in and locate these essential settings. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook web app in your browser. You'll need to log into your account first, so enter your credentials and wait for your emails to load completely. This might take a moment depending on your connection speed, so be patient while everything syncs up. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to begin finding those SMTP settings. Navigate to your settings menu, which is located in the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there. Click on it to open the settings panel. This is your control center for all Outlook configurations. Now, under your Outlook 365 settings menu, look for the Mail tab. You'll find this on the left side menu. Click on it, and you'll see various mail settings appear in a list. These options control how your email behaves and connects to other services. From the list of settings, locate and click on Sync Email. This section is specifically designed for managing how your Outlook account connects with external email clients. From here, you'll see the POP and IMAP settings displayed. Look carefully for a link that says View POP, IMAP, and SMTP settings and click on it. This will open a new browser tab, so don't be surprised when that happens. It's just Outlook's way of presenting detailed technical information in a separate view. In this new tab, look for the section labeled POP, IMAP, and SMTP settings for Outlook.com. Click on it and the section will expand, presenting you with all the connection settings you need for different email protocols. These are the technical details that other email programs need to communicate with your Outlook account. Finally, scroll down through the expanded section until you find the available settings specifically for SMTP. You'll see several pieces of information here, including the server name, SMTP port number, SMTP encryption method, and authentication method. These are the exact settings you need to configure email sending in any third-party application or email client. Make note of these details or copy them somewhere safe for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully located your SMTP server settings in Outlook 365, giving you everything you need to configure external email applications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.